your EVS textbooks. Today we have to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 14, caring seniors. Means in that lesson we have to take care of our family members, means some aged people, your grandparents. If you are living with your grandparents, do help always to them, means give water, give medicines to them. Next, keep your TV and radio, music system, all the sounds at low. Next one, what they are telling, if they want to cross the road and all, put hand on them. Such type of things, means these are the helping things you have to help to your grandparents also. So here they are given in our textbook one small story. So open your textbooks, children's, page number 123. Lesson number 14 here, caring seniors. After studying this lesson, you develop the attitude of helping patient and elders. Means some patients are in your house, so give attention towards them. Means what they got, what they are eating, what they, how they are suffering from some diseases. So try to know some information and do the help to your elders and some patients. Okay. So let's start here. One Raju is one boy like you, and her grandma, means a small story, small picture is there given here. So look at this picture, you will easily understand. You open 123 page number. So let's start the story. Here Raju came near to her grandma, and what she is doing here? She is sleeping. So he is asking, no sorry, grandma is sobbing alone, means oh ma. What she is telling, while she is sleeping, she is putting some oh ma, such type of words. So Raju gone to her grandma and he is asking, grandma, what has happened to you? What has happened to you, grandma? Why are you suffering from some disease? Means you are not feeling well. He is asking to her grandma, what happened? What happened to you, grandma? Such type of words he is asking to grandma. So grandma is telling to him, Raju, I have cough and fever. What happened to grandma, children here? Grandma is suffering from cold and fever. So she said, Raju, I have cough and fever. So Raju, he gone to the next room and he's telling to his daddy, Daddy, grandma has fever. Shall we call a doctor? Raju told his grandfather. What he told? Daddy, grandma is suffering from fever. Shall we call a doctor? Means we have to call here doctor. Then doctor, after calling daddy, doctor came near and she's checking to the grandma. Grandma has side fever. Yes, grandma is suffering from fever and cold. So Raju told to his doctor, and doctor called to, daddy called to doctor. Okay. Grandma is suffering from fever and cold. Raju tell to his daddy, and again daddy called to the doctor, and doctor came to check the patient, to check that grandma, and doctor said yes, she is suffering from slightly fever. So Amma, take the tablets and your fever will reduce. Some family members are there to check, means Raju's mother and Raju's grandfather are also there to check her fever, and doctor gives some medicines. That time Raju is giving some medicines to grandma and is telling that, Amma, please take that medicine, take that tablet. So if you take that, your fever will be reduced. In that way, his Raju is helping to her grandma. She is suffering from fever and cold. Nobody will see her. But Raju see to her and he is telling daddy. Daddy called to the doctor. Doctor come and check that patient, and again that doctor gives some medicine, some tablet. Why? Because reducing of fever and cold. So here some question. Why was grandmother sleeping? Yes, children. Why was grandmother sleeping? Yes, she is sleeping because she is suffering from cough and cold. She is not feeling well there, so she is suffering from cough and fever. Next question. How did Raju help grandma? How did Raju help grandma? Means what Raju did here? Raju tell to his father, tell to his daddy, and she is suffering from fever. So daddy called to the doctor. How do you help your father, mother, grandmother and grandfather? Yes children, this is a important question. You are helping your mother, parents at home. Maybe these are your parents or grandparents. If you are doing help, then which type of help you are doing? Means at some time you are giving some water to them for drinking, you are giving medicines to them. In mother you are helping to in kitchen. All these works you have to do in your home. Okay. On next page, look at the picture. Say what are the children are doing here. Here two pictures they are shown. In first picture, what that girl is doing, she keeps her grandfather's hand and she is helping to him crossing the road. And in second picture, that boy is giving tablets and water to drinking. Okay, such type of help they are doing to their parents. Observe the following picture. Put right mark for the correct action and cross mark to the incorrect action. First one is here. Parents are sleep. Her mother is sleeping on the bed, and that time that boy is watching the TV in a loud sound. It is the correct? No, it's a cross. Next one. Keep your grandparents' hand and help to them crossing a road. This is the correct action. Next here, that grandmother is suffering from cough and boy is helping to her legs pain. So that is the correct action. And here second one, that old lady means grandmother is keeping the pot full of water and that girl is watching only, she is playing here. That is the correct action? No, this is the wrong one. Again here, that grandfather is crossing a road with his own and boy is watching. This is correct action? No, this is the wrong. And here you have to help your grandparents to cross the road. This is the correct action. On next page, observe the following picture. What will you do in these situations? That grandmother is telling, I am feeling very thirsty. What you have to do here, children? You have to give them water. When somebody has suffering from thirsty or if they are hungry, you have to give food or water to them. My leg is paining. That time you have to show to doctor, call to doctor. Some girl, small girl is fell down on the floor and she's telling, oh ma, what you have to do in these situations? You have to give hands and sit on one chair and all. Next one, it is difficult to cross the road. That some old man is crossing the road, vehicles are so many on road. What you have to do here in this situation, you have to keep their hand and please help to try to cross the road. While elders need our help and love, the sick needs our care. You must learn to help and care. Always be compassionate and fair. Means you have to always helpful to our elders and parents and grandparents. We should respect elders. Yes, we should always respect elders. Don't lie to them. We should look after ages people and patients with love and care. We should always look towards. Firstly started while lesson starting, I told on that time you should always do the help to your elders, some patients, your grandparents are in your home. So please look with care. Look, love and care. In that way, some interesting story. Caring seniors means help to your parents and take care of your elders also. Read this lesson, try to understand this story and do the right or wrong actions in your textbook. We will continue in our next class. Okay, thank you.